Okay, good day everyone. Just a quick sharing para sa mga teacher na looking for interesting games and e-PowerPoint and e-lesson plan for learning materials. You can visit here the iVessel. So once you search it on the Google, you can see their website. Click this one and then here, okay. So as you can see here, we have here their dashboard, and then you can click this one, the three dots here, to look for the class materials. So they have here mini games, e-PowerPoint, e-lesson plans, and e-files. So let's explore first the e-PowerPoint. Let's click this one, e-PowerPoint. As you can see here, we have the different options: elementary, junior high, senior high, and then all grades. So let's say you're looking for elementary PowerPoints. So they have here different grade level and as well as different subjects. You can click there. So let's say I'm interested on science. Okay, let's click this science and then let's see their options. Oh, by the way, some of their PowerPoints have payment. However, it's too small because their PowerPoint is very quality. So as you can see, for 49 pesos, you have here already the materials. Okay. And also, there are other materials that is for free as well. So they keep on updating for the content of this website. So they also have senior high or no lesson plan available yet. And okay, let's look for the other one. Okay, they also have e-files. Okay, let's search. Okay, so we have here different files, lesson plan for oral communication and any other subject poster. Oh, by the way, this is for Philippine settings and as well as if you are teacher looking for materials, all the creator of this website is also a teacher. So you can search for a specific content. And we can buy here as well in order to support them as well or in order to help them to create a better services as well to us. Okay, so we have here different e-files that you can use with. Okay, let's say this one, okay, junior high. So we can use this one and it is very helpful. Okay, science, currently they only have the following PowerPoint. So when you click this one, it contains all the PowerPoint for, let's say, Science 7 Quarter 1. It contains the PowerPoint needed for Quarter 1. And then once you buy it, you can just simply change it with the way how you want to present your lesson because they have their logo there. So you can use this one. So once you click that, you can buy it, add to cart, and then you're going to register. So it is aligned to our curriculum, especially the Matatag curriculum. So that's it for today. I just share it with the teachers out there here in the Philippines so that it might help you to prepare for your lesson. And that's it. Goodbye and keep safe as always.